Hey guys, we're looking at altitudes today. So let's recall what an altitude is. An altitude is when you start at a vertex of the triangle and you draw a segment that is perpendicular to the opposite side. When I say perpendicular, I mean that it intersects that side at a 90-degree angle, a right angle. So we know that this angle right here is 90 degrees. Okay? Now in this problem, it says the angle ADC, which is this angle, is 3x plus 12. So all we have to do is set up an equation where 3x plus 12 equals the measure of that angle, which we know is 90. But if you don't know that that's an altitude and that that angle is 90 degrees, then you may not be able to set up your equation correctly. So to solve, we subtract 12 from both sides as our first step, because 12 minus 12 is 0. 3x equals 78. And then when we divide both sides by 3, we get that x is 24. So the only thing you really need to know about altitudes is that they form a right angle because they are perpendicular to the opposite side of the triangle.